guys, welcome back to my channel, and you can see I have a huge Polygel kit. So this is from Ohuhu, and I'm hoping I pronounced that correctly because I'm going on the markers, like the alcohol markers, because I was a crafter. So that's how I'm going with the enunciation, and I almost butchered that too. So this is their Polygel kit, and they did send this over for me to try. Ooh. This is packaged. This is probably the best packaged Polygel kit I think I've received. Like, look at how nice this is packaged. I'm impressed. Okay, the thing that came loose is like this thing. Like, that's it. Alright, first they give you a booklet on top. It has all the different colors. It shows you what to do. You need a lamp, yada, yada, yada. You guys know the drill here. I mean, come on, you've been with me long enough. If not, don't worry, I have videos on Polygel kits. Some of them may not be up yet, but I do have a couple coming. So they give you a file. This feels like a 100, 180. It is not labeled. It may be labeled in here. It is not. It just says nail file. So, nail file, brush, cuticle pusher, brush. Okay, this one has some weight to it because I know some of the other brushes I have don't have a lot of weight. And brush is good, exactly what I would expect in a Polygel brush. I always have to make sure. Yeah, so the weight is actually in the caps, and I'm okay with that. Y'all, I said me getting stuff out of packaging, not my strong suit. So we have the slip solution. So my recommendation with slip solutions, I say this pretty much in all of them, that use the slip solution, like open one. They're pretty much all the same, and then move on to the next one, and then when you run out, just use alcohol. But I do not like toss these out or not use them. I open one at a time and I use it kind of down the line. Exactly how I use like my base coats and stuff like that. Like every time someone sends me something, I'm not necessarily opening the base and primers or base and top coats because I don't want to have a million things open. My little recommendation there. Base coat and top coat. So these are 12 milliliters. Let's give you some comparisons. Jimmy Gel is 15, although I think this round did not have 15 in it. This guy is 10, Luminary. Trying to find something. Kira Sky Top Coat, that is 15. So pretty good. I need to start making room. So they include some glitter. I'm not going to open these until I actually try them out. Ooh, these are really pretty. Actually, using these together would be a really nice spring set. So I am going to do a set. It'll be in a separate video, but I mean, probably going to have to use those. These are the duo forms. I don't mind duo forms, let me be honest here. However, the curve that duo forms have are outrageous. Like, let me, this one might be my thumb. Yeah, I just cannot, like, if I put it down and my nail did this, just no. But if I were doing short nails, I could get away with that because it's straight up until about this little ledge, which is where my nails are. So in reality, I could use them as long as they're gonna be short. But they do come with duo forms. If you know how to use them, that's there. I'm gonna take all of these out. 8 colors, pretty good. There is a clear and a white. Now this says builder gel, building gel. I want to make sure that you guys are aware this is not actually builder gel. This is Polygel, which is a building gel. So I can see why it would say building gel. But for everyone who was wondering, it is a polygel, not a gel as in like a builder gel. Just want to point that out. So let's do, I have my tile here. So I want to do some swatches. I'm not going to open the clear. I don't think. I might. I don't know. Okay, that's really nice to squeeze out. This one is not hard at all. And I can appreciate that. And so far, I mean, I've opened one, but they are sealed. So the first one was P12. This is BR2. So I'm gonna go maybe brown red 2. But I like that this one is not super hard actually. Like, I really like that. Okay, I'll do clear. No, I'll do clear and white at the end. This one is P1. Sorry, didn't realize I was not zoomed in. So P12, BR2, and now we're doing P1. Ooh, I like this color. Yes, that's, you guys, if you've been with me, you know that is my color. Okay, we're gonna do N2, and this one's looking like a peachy, maybe corally color. That's exactly what I would expect it to look by the packaging. So far, we are doing good on packaging color of the packaging to color that you receive. I know I have had some issues previously where I'm like, that doesn't really look like the right color. But so far, I'm doing really good. This is P6. Ooh, that's a nice baby pink. Next one, N8. Had to make sure I'm not being dyslexic there. Another beautiful coral color. This is the white, so this is WH2. I wonder, I've never done an ombre with Polygel. Here is the clear. And then the clear is down. All right, so I will bring you up and list off all the names. I'm gonna dim this wrong way, a little bit. I think that's looking about right. Okay, so we have P12, BR2, P1, N2, P6, N8, white, which is WH2, and then clear. Now, the white and clear are probably not very seeable, but what I like about that clear, it is not chunky and separated. So the clear is looking really smooth. Actually, they're all looking really smooth. I hope that's coming across, that it's not looking stiff. It's looking very smooth, and I'm intrigued. So I'm definitely thinking I might try an ombre. I don't know if I'm gonna record it, but I might, because I think like this one, which is P1, and then that white, I'm thinking might be really nice ombres. And if you really need to like put something thin down, you could probably put this P6, but P1 and that white looking real good. So All right, well, I hope this was helpful. I definitely have ideas going through my head for a design, which you will see in another video soon. So I'm intrigued. All right, thank you guys for hanging out with me today. Again, I'm thoroughly impressed and I cannot wait to try these out. Everything that I tried on the little tile here, it is smooth. It's gonna be good. I can already tell and I cannot wait. Again, I will have way more Polygel videos coming out. They may not be up by the time this is recorded. Who knows at this point? I don't even know anymore because I filmed so many. So, oh yeah, forgot the glitters. Right, that's all you do is just throw some in there. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Again, I will have this link down below. You can get it off Amazon, but again, I'll have it linked below. I want to slide into this video. They did provide me a discount code. I will also go ahead and link that down below next to the Amazon link. All right, thank you guys for hanging out today. Again, I will have everything linked below, including the discount code. It is from Amazon, so it's easy, just linked it below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.